Hello traders, before we get into what we have for this video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. All right, now we are going to be looking at the AW momentum EA for MT5 in this video. All right, and this expert advisor is available for both MT4 and MT5, even though we are reviewing the MT5 version in this particular video, but you can see that there is an MT4 version as well. Okay, starting from the top of the marketplace listing, this EA is offered by AW Trading Software Limited. The current version shown here is version 1.1, and the listing says that it was updated on July 26th, 2026. At the time of this listing, as at the time of this recording, the EA has 15 activations. The purchase price shown is $45 while a 1 month rental is listed at $30. Most importantly, the listing indicates that this EA is available for MT5, which is the version, like I said already, we'll be reviewing in this video, despite it having an MT4 version as well. So in case you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform, feel free to check out for the particular version that you use. Moving into the description, the developer describes AW Momentum as a fully automated trading system that works in the direction of the current price movement. Okay, so the main signal comes from the momentum indicator, and according to the listing, the EA looks for a breakout of the momentum level in the direction of the continuing price movement. Now, one important thing to notice here is that the EA also uses averaging. All right, it also uses averaging, and this isn't simply a system where one trade is opened and then left to reach its targets. Okay, so if an order moves into a loss, the developer says additional orders can be opened, right, with the ability to multiply the volume. Okay, and that makes the grid and protection settings particularly important when looking through the inputs. All right, so before getting there, the listing highlights several benefits, including the advanced filtering of basket orders, an intuitive panel interface, fully automated trading, built-in auto lot, and 3 types of notifications. Okay, so the developer also states that the EA is suitable for any type of instrument and any time frame. Looking at the strategy details, the entry rules are relatively straightforward according to the developer. So for a long position, the EA opens when the upper momentum level is broken from below to above. All right, and for a short position, it looks for the lower momentum level to be broken from above to below. All right, so for closing positions, the EA uses a virtual take profit measured in points. The listing specifically says this take profit is not visible to the broker, and if a position moves into a loss, averaging begins and additional orders may be opened. The developer also describes an overlap function where instead of closing every order in a basket at once, the first and last orders can be handled in a particular way to track the order grid more accurately. So now moving into the settings. Okay, the first section covers the initial order size and the automatic lot calculation. All right, so the auto lot option is described as a way to maintain the risk setting when the deposit changes. The momentum settings allow the user to configure the indicator period, applied price, and the upper and lower levels used for buy and sell signals. All right, so then we have the grid settings. These include the minimum distance between averaging orders and the multiplier added to subsequent orders. Okay, so since the developer explicitly says order volume can increase through this multiplier, these are settings that I would want to pay close attention to when evaluating the EA's risk profile. Okay, so the take profit section contains the virtual take profit size along with the overlap options for the first and last orders. There are also protection settings for maximum slippage, maximum spread, maximum number of orders, maximum order size, and an option to limit the EA to one order per candle. All right. So finally, the advisor settings cover things like magic number, order comments, whether buy or sell orders are allowed, whether new orders can be opened after all previous orders are closed, and whether the dashboard is displayed. Okay, so the listing also includes push notifications, email notifications, and terminal alerts when orders are closed. All right. So overall, based on the marketplace information, AW Momentum EA is a fully automated momentum based system, all right, that combines breakout signals with averaging and basket management. The averaging component is particularly important because it means that the EA's behavior and risk cannot be judged simply by looking at its initial entry target, or rather initial entry signal. Okay, so the developer provides a number of configurable controls, but the information supplied here does not include independently verified trading results. Okay, so I wouldn't use the marketplace description alone as proof of how the EA will perform in live trading. So now let's just head over to my strategy tester, because I've actually back tested this expert advisor. Let us see how it performed, right? So I tested the AW Momentum EA for MT5 on Euro USD, which is one of the most common major pairs, and I tested it on H1 time frame. All right, over the period of roughly 8 months, you can see from the first day of 2026 till 20th of August, right? So basically till date, right? Because today is 21st. Okay, so we are using the every tick model, at least for a level of accuracy. And based on what we can see here, as you and I can see, right, the total net profit was just $2.22. Okay, over the period of close to 8 months, only $2.22. And guess what? 57 trades were executed. So out of 57 trades, only $2.22 were generated. That's not impressive at all. So now I can see that out of those 57 executed trades, a whole 44 were profitable. You can see that, right? So that gave us a 77.19% win rate. But why should we have 44 profitable trades, 77.19% win rate, and only $2.22 in total net profit? So let us see. The largest profit was $8.24. The largest loss was $10.69. Average profit was $1.12. Average loss was $3.61. Okay, yeah, this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. The average loss is times 3, a little bit above times 3 of the average profit. Okay, so this tells me that despite a win rate of 77%, the risk to reward ratio was so much part of the reasons why the expected profit would have been cut down. Okay, so looking at the trade history, briefly, we can also see that this EA seems not to be the type to hold trades for long. You can see there were a couple of trades that were executed and closed shortly after, right? So this was opened here, closed here, this was opened here, closed within the same candle, and so on and so forth, right? So this EA seems to be targeting just short-term price movements, perhaps within an hour or a few hours. So now my overall takeaway is that this EA may be worth investigating further for traders specifically interested in an automated momentum approach with averaging and basket management. At the same time, those averaging and volume multiplier features are exactly why I would want to pay close attention to the risk settings before considering live views. Okay, and as always, the fact that a feature exists on the marketplace does not guarantee that it will perform the same way in future market conditions, right? So I'm going to recommend doing your own research and testing the EA under conditions that make sense for your own risk tolerance before making any trading decision. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.